Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor. We're here with another sound system demo. This time we've got the 2020 Nissan Titan Pro 4X with its 12-speaker, 485-watt Fender audio system. We've got a USB drive here with uncompressed WAV audio files plugged directly into the system, and I've got binaural, high-quality in-ear microphones, so if you use headphones, you're going to get the best experience of this audio system possible. We're going to listen to a few songs here stationary, then go out for a drive, let you hear what the songs sound like on the road. I'll give you my impressions at the end, and we'll wrap it up. We always start these sound system demos with all the audio settings set to neutral, just how they came from the factory. Before we begin, let's hop out and take a quick look at the truck. This is the full-size crew cab 5.6 liter V8 Titan. It's facelifted for 2020, here in the Baja paint color. Got it a little dirty shooting our review earlier, so be sure to look out for that. All right. Let's take a look at some of the sound settings here. There aren't too many. We've got bass, treble, and then right and left balance, front and rear fader, and speed sensitive volume control. You can also adjust those pressing the button here, cycle through much quicker. You got a lot of sources here on the Titan. You've got USB, USB Type-C. What else? AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. System's pretty responsive, it works well. Also got steering wheel audio controls here, volume, and track selection. Alright, start the truck up and go for a drive. This is kind of minor, but I like that the audio system keeps playing while you start the vehicle. Some cars, they have to stop the audio and then kind of re-hook up at everything once it gets started. That's minor, but it's nice. No special exhaust on this truck, just the sound of the 5.6 liter V8. Overall, I'm fairly satisfied with the Fender system here in the Titan. It's got a good sound to it when you're stopped. When you're traveling on the highway, it loses a little bit of that kind of bottom power, a little bit of a weight to it that I would have liked a little bit more of. It's hard to do that though in a pickup truck configuration. They typically have under the seat subwoofers, and those things do the best they can. You're just not going to get the same experience as you would from an SUV or a sedan or anything with a larger area to put speakers and all that jam. The tweeters are good. I kept finding myself wanting to move the sound settings back a little bit more toward the rear to get a little bit away from these front speakers and add a little bit of depth to the sound. It's not very good at kind of having that surround experience. But as far as pickup trucks go, it's definitely one of the better systems that I've reviewed. Let's get on the highway here and you can hear what the truck sounds like at 75. Wind noise is really good in the Titan. Road noise is a little louder than I'd like, mostly from the tires, on these general grabber all-terrain tires. Final impressions of the Titan audio system. If I had to give it a rating, I'd give it about a 7 to 7.5. All things considered, it's missing a little bit of that body, but when you consider that it's a pickup truck, you're dealing with these louder tires, you're dealing with this large sort of box that's driving through, it's really a pretty decent system and definitely just as good as anything else that I've heard in the full-size truck category. If you guys liked the video, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, take a look at our other tests, check out the full review of this Titan, and we will see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor. Drive on.